Our topic for today is about adding and subtracting rational expressions with like denominators. For example, we have A over C plus B over C. As you can see, they have like denominators or the same denominators. In that case, you will just be adding their numerator A plus B and copy the denominator C. The same with subtraction. If we have A over C minus B over C, then you will just be subtracting their numerator, A minus B, and copy the denominator C. Let's have an example. Number 1, 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9. As you can see, they have the same denominator. It means we will just be adding their numerator, 2 plus 4, and then copy the denominator, 9. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6, and then the denominator is 9. Now, as you can see, this is not yet in simplest form. To simplify this fraction, you have to factor 6 and 9. The factors of 6 are 2 and 3. The factors of 9, we have 3 times 3. Now, as you can see, they have common factors. Just cancel it. And then, the final answer will be 2/3. Let's have another example. Number 2, 9 over A plus 5 minus 5 over A plus 5. Now, what you're going to do is subtract the numerator, 9 minus 5, and just copy the denominator, A plus 5. And then solve. 9 minus 5 will give us positive 4 over A plus 5. Just copy the denominator. Now, observe. Is this in simplest form already? Yes. So, this will be our final answer. Wala na pong factor ang A plus 5. That is common to 4. Example number 3. We have 2x over x plus 6 plus 12 over x plus 6. Again, we will just be adding their numerator. We have 2x plus 12. And just copy the denominator, x plus 6. Now, observe. Is this in simplest form already? No, because we can apply factoring in the numerator. Now, let's see. What factoring method can we apply in the numerator 2x plus 12? Yes, so we can apply here common monomial factoring. What is common between 2x and 12? They are common in 2. Now, get the remaining factor by dividing it. 2x divided by 2, you get x. Positive 12 divided by 2, you get positive 6. Then just copy the denominator, x plus 6. Now, you may proceed to cancellation. Cancel the common factor, x plus 6. You will get 2 over 1. We will write 1 if there is no other variable in the denominator. So 2 over 1, you still have to simplify this. You have to divide 2 by 1. So the final answer will just be positive 2. Let's have example number 4. M squared over m minus 7 minus 49 over m minus 7. Subtract the numerator, will have m squared minus 49, and then copy the denominator, m minus 7. Now, observe. Can we still simplify it? Yes, so we can apply factoring in the numerator. What kind of factoring method can we apply in the numerator? Okay, since this m squared minus 49 is a special case, which is a difference of two squares, it means we will be applying the factoring for that special case. We'll have two binomials as our factors, and then get the square root of each term. Square root of m squared will have m, and square root of 49 will have 7. And then for the pattern of difference of two squares, the factors will have plus and minus sign. And then copy the denominator, m minus 7. Now, cancel the common factor. M minus 7 and minus 7. We'll have m plus 7 over 1. Or, since we do not need to write the denominator 1, our answer will just be m plus 7. Now, let's proceed to example number 5. We have 6x minus 3 over 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 7 over 2x plus 1. Now, what we're going to do is to add the numerator and then copy the denominator. In the numerator, we have 6x minus 3 and it will be added to 2x plus 7. Okay. Copy the denominator, 2x plus 1. Now, to add the numerator, just combine the like terms. So, 6x is the same with 2x. Now, we will just be adding 6x and 2x. We'll get 8x. And then, for the negative 3 and positive 7, since we have one negative sign, it means you have to subtract them. It will be 7 minus 3. We'll have positive 4. And then, copy the denominator, 2x plus 1. Now, observe. Can we still simplify this fraction? Yes. What factoring method can you apply? We can apply common monomial factoring in the numerator. So, what is the common factor between 8x and 4? It is positive 4. And then, to get the remaining factor, we will just be dividing it. 8x divided by 4, you'll get 2x. And then, 4 divided by 4, you'll get positive 1. And then, copy the denominator, 2x plus 1. Cancel the common factor. Cancel, cancel. So, we will get 4 as our final answer. 4 over 1, which will give you 4. Next, example number 6. We'll have x squared plus 20 over x minus 1 minus 16x plus 5 over x minus 1. Let's subtract the numerator. It will be x squared plus 20 and then minus 16x plus 5 over x minus 1. Just copy the denominator. Since the operation is subtraction and we are subtracting binomial from another binomial, we have to distribute this negative sign first. It will be multiplied to the binomial inside the parentheses. So we'll have to copy first x squared plus 20 and then distribute the negative sign. It will be negative times positive 16. You'll have negative 16x and then negative times positive 5, you'll get negative 5. Or in short, you will just be changing the sign of the terms inside this parentheses. So the positive 16 became negative 16, positive 5 became negative 5. And then copy the denominator, x minus 1. Now, you may proceed to addition. Combine like terms. So the like terms are positive 20 and negative 5. X squared and 16x are not the same because they have different exponents. So, what we have to combine are just 20 and negative 5. Yung x squared, you just have to copy it. Same with the 16x. And then, combine 20 and negative 5. So, 20 minus 5, you'll get positive 15. So, copy the denominator, x minus 1. Now, can we still simplify this? Yes, we can still simplify this numerator using general trinomial. Factoring general trinomial. So we have to factor 15 first. And then the factors must have negative 16 as a result. Since this is positive and this one is negative, our factors must be two negative numbers. So let's see, what are the factors of 15? The factors of 15 are negative 1 times negative 15, negative 5 times negative 3. So, which of these two pairs will give a result of negative 16? As you can see, yung negative 1 times negative 15, kapag pinag-add, you will get negative 16. So, that will be the factors. So we'll write the answer as binomials. We'll have x and then -1 times x and then -15. Copy the denominator x minus 1. Now, since we're done factoring, we may now cancel. Cancel what's common. So they are common in x minus 1. Cancel. And your final answer will be x minus 15. So it will be written like this. X minus 15. Okay.